put together some photos and videos of a trip I did in the San Juan Islands recently. This is in Puget Sound, off the coast of Washington, very near to Seattle. It's a trip put together by Mel and Janet of RecumbentPDX. They have a trike specific shop in Portland. In fact, it is a Catrike brand exclusive shop. I think there was a handful of us that took our own trikes. Otherwise, Mel loaded up over 20 trikes onto 3 vehicles to bring them from Portland up to the San Juan Islands for everyone to use. Most of these trikes had electric assist. We made Friday Harbor on San Juan Island our home base, and from there we took different ferries to the different islands every day and just kind of bombed around and enjoyed this absolutely gorgeous place. Friday Harbor. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go.
Come on. Yay. Oh. Okay, so.
All right, we are on day 1 of Mel's RecumbentPDX Trike Fest. Got a lot of trikes out here. We're getting everybody fit to a trike. Most of them have electric assist. And we'll probably be ready to go on our first ride in just a little bit. We're in the San Juan Islands. In fact, we are on San Juan Island. We're in Friday Harbor. And looks like a really great group and a beautiful day for a trike ride. All right, let's go. Get ready to go. We're going to get lined up here and take off real soon. Stopping to pick some blackberries. A little snack? Having a little snack here? Nice, right?
We're going to Orcas, right?
We're going to Orcas.
Good.
That's where we're going. So I am with Mills, RecumbentPDX, Cool Cats of San Juan Islands tour. And we have left San Juan Island, Friday Harbor, and we are headed to Orcas Island. We're going to be riding our trikes up Mount Constitution today. It's an absolutely gorgeous day. We could not ask for better weather. And let me just show you everybody on the ferry. Look at that. Pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. So yeah, we're gonna be on Orcas Island today in the San Juan Islands. after the big climb up to the top of Mount Constitution on Orcas Island. We've seen this phenomenal view of the San Juan Islands, snow-capped mountains in the distance, Canada across the water. Now we get our reward. We get to go down. All right, everybody, we are finishing up our tour, the cool Catrikes tour of the San Juan Islands. We are on the ferry at Friday Harbor. We're going to be heading to Anacortes now. I want to give a big thanks to Mel and Janet of RecumbentPDX for setting up this tour, making all the arrangements. The food that Mel made was outstanding. The desserts were off the charts delicious. There were 27 of us on this tour, so it was a big undertaking. And I want to also give a big shout out to Paul Heijn, who was the main mechanic. It was an absolutely Herculean effort on his part to keep all of us running and getting all the trikes fitted to everybody that was on the tour was really just absolutely fantastic. And so, yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video. Please stay safe, stay healthier than I am, and I'll see you next time.